Okay friends, let's get started. Plain side up, floral side down. Okay, just going to make, the first fold is to put it into a half. Easy enough. Open it up and make it into a quarter. Fold, turn it around, and fold again. And it's gonna look like two double doors. Okay. From here, open up and turn it over so that you see your three horizontal folds there. Lay it flat. What we're going to do is we're going to take this lower fold and meet it in the middle there. So I'm just going to push this forward, find your middle fold and line it right up and squish. Turn it over or turn it around and do the same thing, making more double doors. Okay. Okay, from here, turn it over like so. Sort of looks like a column there. And you're going to take, if you're right-handed, take your left index finger in the middle position there and just sort of gently pull this forward. Okay? And what we're going to do, this edge here at the top is going to make a triangle that's going to line up with this point. So it's going to be like so. So I take my right index finger and gently push this down while I make this edge line up like a triangle. And then just squish. Okay? So that's how we did one side. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. This edge here is going to become a side of the triangle that's going to come down here. So use your right finger, gently push that point with your other finger, line it up to look like a good triangle. Manipulate the paper however you have to and make a nice line like so. Okay? Okay, hopefully that went okay for you guys. From here, turn your page so that the points are going to your right, and you're going to fold this side to meet that edge there, that folded edge. You're just going to sort of like a paper airplane and squish. Turn it around and do the other side. Fold it right over and meet that folded edge like so. Okay. About halfway from top to bottom, place your left index finger as a holding point there and take this lower edge from the middle and just fold it over gently like so, and then squish that line right there. And you guessed it, we're gonna do it on the other side too. Okay, easy enough. Okay. From this position, turn it around 180 degrees so that the points are pointing at you. And you're going to just do a quick fold. Oh, I would say maybe 1/3 of the way, and fold it like so. And squish it down. Okay, from here we're going to make a skinny little fold. It's going to be about 1/8 of an inch thick. Just a tiny skinny fold right there, and just fold it over. Okay, turn it back over again. From this, we're going to be in this position. Oh, about 1 inch down from the fold that we just made. Use your left finger and hold that middle portion, and we're going to do another turnout triangle there, like so. And go ahead and do it again on the other side. Okay. Okay, this is the trickiest fold of the day. So, what I want you to do, turn so that the points are pointing to the right. Take your index and thumb on your right hand and hold your design right here at that midpoint. Rest it and curl it. Just do a little curl like that. Okay? Like so. You have to come in close. Okay. Now, the lower portion of this middle fold here, right there, you're going to take that with your thumb, turn it under, right along the pre-fold that we just made. Can you see how I did that? See how we're doing that? And squish. And then take the lower portion and just fold that one under as well. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just give it a good bend so that we have like a little curve there. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Index finger and thumb, curl right there along that fold. We're going to curl that up. Take this portion here and fold it under right along the pre-fold that you just made. And then when you do that, this portion will go easily. And then push it back and squish. Now, to just make it a little bit more feminine, we're going to make a tiny triangle up here and just take that point and make it just a little, curl it in just a little bit so that it looks like so. And then do the same thing over here. Push that back and make a little triangle. And there you go, folks. We have a halter dress. Let's get ready to rumba. Okay, we're going to be making an accessory for our dress. So, depending on what side you would like to show more. Do you like the flat plain side to go with the dress, or do you like the colorful side to go with the dress? Whichever one you want to show more, that's the side that should be down first. I want the pink side to show, so I'm bringing my colorful side up, okay? Just like in the last project, the last origami we did, it's very similar. Just start with a fold in half, open up and fold toward the middle, just like we did before. Turn it around, fold to the middle, making double doors. From this position, we're just going to fold the top portion down, like so, about 1/3 of the way. Just tuck it under, and that's that. From this position, with the fold in the back, you're going to take this corner and cross it over the midline there and try to make a nice point down at the bottom. So I'm going to take that corner, take it from about halfway into this portion and cross over, and down here make a nice point like so. Okay, and do the same. You can open it up and do the same on the other side. Halfway across, cross over the midline and make a nice point at the bottom down here. Okay. Ready? From here, we're going to take this point over, open it up, and we're going to bring this area across. on an angle, like so. A nice deep triangle. What I like to do is this fold, I like to aim that fold as if it's pointing right at the bottom point, and then give it a good squish. Same thing on the other side. Open this up, take this corner, open it a little bit to give yourself some working room, push forward, and aim this line toward that point. It's just sort of a guideline, just sort of in that direction, and then give it a squish. And there you go, like that. Okay, last step, we're gonna try to make her look less of a football player. And we're going to fold maybe maybe an eighth of an inch over on that area. That's her shoulder. It'll look more feminine, like so. Turn it over and turn that down, right there. And voila, couture. Here we are, voila. Here's our, get a pen, and you can mark little buttons there and little dashes to make the button openings. And we've made a nice little coat to go with our nice little dress.